I get it. I get emotional too. So, my name is Anita Patton from Birmingham, Alabama. Oh wow. So for 6 years, I worked for the city of Birmingham. For 6 years, I worked all the overtime I wanted to, making $95,000, however much a year. So imagine you making all that money for 6 years, getting loans, credit card, off the $90,000 and $95,000. One day I get a text out of nowhere say you can no longer work overtime. Wow. Snatched it from under me. So how many know I still got the loans and the credit cards from the $90,000 and $95,000? I went back down to my little salary that I was making before. So I had more bills than I had money. And I would see Vonda Bell, that's my sponsor, she would post. MyEcon paid off this for me. MyEcon paid off that for me. And I would scroll down. I'm like, I'm tired of scams. I ain't getting into that. Keep scrolling. So one night, I went to a church service, and I went to support my friend that was doing praise and worship. It was a prophetess there. She was talking to another lady, and wasn't even talking to me, but I heard a voice say, connect with Vonda. I turned around to the lady behind me. I said, huh? And she said, huh? I said, did you say something to me? She said, no. I said, oh, okay. So I knew it was the Lord. I inboxed Vonda. Long story short, I connected with her. I joined. And when I joined and readjusted my W-4, it put $350 every 2 weeks back on my check. So that's $700 a month. I was like, hey, I'm finished. Hey. And the Holy Spirit checked me again. Said, no, ma'am. You're going to pay off that debt. So I got in my back office and I read and learned the strategies of MyEcon. And let me tell you, it hadn't been a year. March the 29th will be a year. I have paid off, listen, within three credit unions, I had so many loans. But I have paid off 8 loans, 3 credit cards. And when I joined MyEcon, I had a t-shirt business, and I've been my tax lady for 3 years. She never told me I could get this tax breaks right. So Cedric Jenkins told me, he said, you got a t-shirt business. Why haven't you been claiming this? I had a $4,000 IRS debt. I ain't had a refund in years. I listened to him. I got all my stuff, took it to my tax lady. I asked her why she didn't tell him. She said, well, I ain't know you wanted to. So when I did it paid off my tax bill, and I got $58 back. That's enough to make me dance, honey. But listen, by Vonda posting, I never would have sold. The word of God says you overcome by the blood of the Lamb and the words of your testimony. So I posted. I didn't get in nobody's inbox. I didn't text nobody. I just started posting what MyEcon did for me. Y'all, they start adding, and they can attest to it, 2 and 3 in one day. That was added to my team that wanted to sign up for MyEcon, and 18 of them are still here, so my retention is good. So post about MyEcon. It's the best kept secret. I'm telling y'all, it has changed my whole life. Thank you.